Hello students, Miss Slyman here with our last example, example 7. We're back to just a direction of divide, but this time it's a little bit tricky because we don't have our leading coefficient of the divisor as just 1. So let's rearrange this a bit. So I've got 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus x plus 1 over, oh goodness, over, let's try and make that a straighter line. I'm going to factor out the 2 and get x plus 3 halves. Well, if I factor out the 2, now I've also got my dividend that's being divided by 2. So I could rewrite that as 3x cubed plus 7 over 2, or 3.5, x squared, 1 over 2, x, plus 1 over 2. And it's better to leave the coefficients as fractions. And in the denominator, I could say x plus 3 halves. That lets me set up my synthetic division with negative 3 halves in front, and then 3, 7 halves, 1 half, 1 half. Bring it down, multiply, negative 9 halves. And this is why I said it's nice to leave it as fractions, because I've got my common denominator. If I subtract negative 9 over 2 and 7 halves, I'm going to get negative 2 over 2, same as negative 1. Multiply, positive 3 over 2. Add that up is 4 over 2, which is just 2. Multiply. Now I'm going to get negative 6 over 2. That leaves me with negative 5 over 2. So I know that 2x plus 3 is not a factor, but let's look at this in terms of our polynomial algorithm. This is really me saying that 6x cubed plus 7x squared plus x plus 1 is the same as 2x plus 3 excuse me, 2x plus 3 times 3x squared minus x plus 2 plus, not plus, minus 5 over 2. And if I think about just these first terms, 2x times 3x squared is going to give me 6x cubed. So that lets me know that I'm on the right track. So again, the way that we did this, we started by factoring out the 2 so that we could use our synthetic division model, and then dividing our dividend by the 2 so that we're not getting an answer that's doubled. If I had just divided by the 3 halves, I would have ended up with a 6 here, a negative 2 here, and a 4 here, which 2x times 6x squared would not give me 6x cubed. So we'll talk about this more in class. If you've got questions, bring them with you, and I'll see you there.